Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm super in a rush today. Today I got so many things I gotta do. I'm gonna be changing the rear brake pads of the IS300, but I also found out just a few hours ago, I found out that the pick and pull is going to have a 50% day off today. So I have to go, and I called a friend and we're both gonna go right now. So we're heading over to Fresno. To go to pickup parts here, I got Ricky. Say what's up, Ricky.
Hi everyone.
He drives a what do you drive?
Dodge Charger.
Dodge Charger, and he's about to do a fully V8 twin turbo swap on that thing. So we're gonna keep you posted. No, we're just kidding. He likes cars too, guys. Ricky wants to get some interior parts for his car, and then I need to get some seats, and I also need to find a battery for my Mazda. And then if they have any IS300s, I'm gonna find a really a good deal because today's 50% off. It says roll 95 right there. That's what the car is at.
It says roll 103 on the door.
Dude, we're making like a bunch of idiots in front of everybody. Ricky, and I'm listening to Ricky and I'm getting lost. Really quick, I need to make an announcement. For all you guys that are waiting on the giveaways, the stuff has already been shipped. So Amazon takes about 2 days because it's Prime. So you guys should be getting everything between Monday and Tuesday. Yeah, you already know about the giveaways, huh, Ricky? I'm just still trying to find the row 90. Are you sure? Because that says like that's row 100. I know they did. I couldn't believe it, guys, but how many Mustangs have we seen so far, Ricky?
I think easily like 15.
Easily like 15 Mustangs. And there's still so many more probably on that side. That's ridiculous. Hey, I found another green Mustang over there too. Yeah, maybe 20s plus. Oh no, I found another Mustang here too, Ricky. And I found another Mustang there. All right, we've probably seen over 25 Mustangs. This should be called the Mustang Yard. Oh, I found another Mustang right there too. Good. And it's supposed to be a white 626. So it's already been maybe about half an hour, and we still can't find this car. They must have made a mistake. They must have made a mistake on the road because we're on row 90 and we still can't find this car. Oh, that's pretty bad. That's a Toyota. Some of them come with turbo.
They got the engine in the trunk.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy. That's a pimp. Damn, this thing's, oh, it's standard too. Oh, that's crazy. So I found a Mazda, but it's not what I've been looking for, but it's a different year. Anything else in there? Maybe $100 bill, Ricky? Check. Sometimes they leave some money in here. For real. That's what's up. Old school JDM car, guys. Some 300 ZX. Oh man. There's nothing in here. Alright guys, we found a Mazda.
After what? After an hour?
After about 1 hour, this is it. Oh, I love it. And it comes with the seats. Yeah. Oh, dude. Seats all jacked up, Ricky. Well, wow. This thing is really messed up, man. Dude, this ain't a Mazda, this is freaking garbage. This is a piece of junk. I don't know what to do, Ricky.
Maybe you can use the oil cap or something.
That's a piece of junk. Everything I need, it doesn't have it. I was gonna get the seats, and I was gonna get the intake assembly. This intake assembly right here, it's really nasty. Now we're gonna go to another place. I don't know what it's called. Ricky knows, and we're gonna see if we're gonna find some parts for his Dodge
Charger.
Ricky wants one of those Hello Kitty steering wheel covers right here. Right, Ricky?
Yeah.
That's fine. For the downline name directory, representatives are currently assisting other customers. Thank you for calling. Will you pull this minute up here?
Say something.
Charger from 2006 to 2010. Interior parts. I have a question.
This is what's happening right now. We called this place to find out because we're gonna get some Dodge parts for this interior car, which they don't have. They're closed for the weekends. So I pull here in Fresno, and they say they have a lot of those parts there. So we'll probably find a good deal because I always find good deals. So we'll show you guys when we're over there right now. I don't know, but they're pretty cool. I gotta explain the situation. Told us now that they do have the car, but they're not available because they're what? They're servicing?
They're full service?
They're full servicing their cars.
And
so
what that means is that they have to take out the parts for you. You can't go in there and touch the cars yourself.
yeah, exactly. And the guy there is basically not there, right? And so today, the guy's not there. So you have to make sure you know what you're getting yourself into when you go to these places. Sometimes it could be a hassle. They might have the car, but it might not be ready. Or they might have the car, but you can't get the parts out of the car yourself. Somebody else has to do it. So anyways, I asked the girl there. I didn't even think they were gonna have an IS300 here, but it turns out that they did. So I'm like, okay, that's fine. I'll just come in here for the IS300. So we were gonna get free passes to come, so we're gonna have to leave. And then turns out that they actually do have an Lexus IS300. So now we're looking for the IS300. So this is what's happening right now. I'm getting super hungry. And after this, we're gonna have to find some place to eat. So we'll show you guys what happens if we find anything good. So where are we going again, Ricky? Row what? Row 16. It says it has a 2001 IS300. All right, here it is. All right, guys, so this is another reason you should never believe pickup parts when you call them. They told me they didn't have any Mazda 626. And there's one right here. So again, you guys could never believe what they tell you. I hate to say it, but a lot of times these people don't know what they're saying or don't know or haven't updated the system yet. So this is a 4-cylinder. I have a 6-cylinder, so nothing here I can really take. These seats I do want, but today's not 50% off at this place, at this junkyard. So they're gonna be about 50 bucks each. And in this condition, they're not that nice. Find anything, Ricky?
Nope.
Nope, there's no Lexus IS300s here. Look, Ricky's looking for a cup holder. I told him I just took this part from this random car. I'm like, we can make it fit. Seriously, we can do some modification. Here, Ricky.
Some glue and tape?
Just glue and tape, that's all you need. Is that what you need this whole time? Hey guys, we actually found what we're looking for. It's a Hello Kitty steering wheel cover. Just for you, Ricky. You never know what you guys can find. So go to your local junkyard place and start looking for parts.
Any random parts too.
Any random parts. Look what I found, guys, a 300ZX. Awesome. And I took the shift knob away from it too. It's in really good condition. I'm always taking shift knobs, Ricky. Pretty rare to find 2 Scions in this place. Check and see if there's anything good on here. You know what? It's a standard one too. So look what we found. What's the matter, poodles? What are you looking for, huh?
We found no car parts, but we found a dog.
We found a dog. This is the update. We couldn't find an IS300, so because of that, they gave us free passes for next time. And we're so hungry right now. We're gonna go get some Taco Bell. Sometimes they'll say, yeah, we have the car, but the system is not updated. So it's one of those things you just have to kind of just go. The funny thing is, the car that we wanted to find, the car that they told us wasn't there, was there. And the car that was there, that was supposed to be there, wasn't there. Does that make sense? But I'm definitely coming back again. Taco Bell. So how was those tacos?
Everything was amazing.
It was, man. It was awesome, guys. Taco Bell is awesome. Hey, you want to go get some In-N-Out? I don't know, man.
That's a McDonald's?
No, I'm down. Like, I'm down. Like, I mean, I'm full and all, but like for later, you know? That was supposed to be there wasn't there. Does that make sense? Ricky, what are you doing?
Trying to look for my candy.
Your candy?
I found it.
You found your candy?